kopogore mano wadhi kadha wadna mchumbi kama apis mar Senator ma County ma Mombasa koni nonro mayande gitimo nyiso ni ten County ma Mombasa osebedo ka kod nyao etayo chenro mag thieth somo ka achiel kod dongruoge mamoko. Magi oyange report mane ogol gi apis mar Senator ma bende seyo chenro mandiko rowere mar Mombasa yangu ma ikoni pok orakore gi wach mar nok matije. George Aoko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Apis mar Senator e County ma Mombasa ne osidho ayanga report motenore kod nonro mayande gitimo ewi kaka tend County no tayo chenro mopogore mag dongruok. Report no ne oseyo tend County ma Mombasa kuom loro kar thieth ma Marimani mantiere Mwakirunge e Kisauni kato bedo ni kwan atamalo maduong' mag jotuo wuok e alwora no mabende oting'o dag puko taka ei Mombasa mangima.
So tumewapelekea dump site, magonjwa yote yako huko, vumbi, moshi. At the same time, we have closed that facility ambayo ilikuwa inawasaidia. Wameruhusiwa kutumia clinic ndogo hapa ambayo is very congested. Hata daktari na mteja wake hawawezi kuzungumza wakaelewana. Bamburi, on 2 occasions, we were told that money was set aside to replace the asbestos roof. But if you go there today, you'll still see the asbestos roof.
Kano chiwo lipod no, Senator Mohamed Faki ne ukoni nonro bende yango ni chenro mar Mombasa yangu mageto chiwo thuolo mag tije ne rowere pokora kod gi midhiero mar nok mag tije ni mar jogo mendiko gin mana mabeto lum kod yuecho.
The people who are being employed in that Mombasa yangu program, most of them could not do some of the work that was supposed to be done where positions are vacant. For instance, they could not be deployed as nurses, they could not be deployed as lab technicians. Yeah, and in the process we are paying money, we end up increasing our wage bill, but at the end of the day, productivity is very low.
The dropping of the house here the other day should tell us that there's a problem with planning. We all live in Mombasa, you see the way houses are going up, but there is no special plan that should be there in every 10 years. It is not there, it does not exist in Mombasa County.
Mume advise the county office to implement the stalled projects. Swali yangu ni ya kwamba hizi stalled projects ziko na budget. Na kama hazina, kuna vile bwana Senator anaweza kusupport zipate budget ili ziwe implemented.
Kata kamano, Speaker mar County ma Mombasa ne oseyo Senate kuom rem kedone County bang' piny owacho ng'ado budget ma Mombasa hiko mokalo kod shillings milion 72.
Na ukiangalia budget tulipitisha vizuri, ikapita. Sasa tukasema hapa kweli kama County Assembly tunafaa kufanya oversight. Na ikiwa tumekatwa pesa kiasi kingi sana, kuna oversight kweli itafanyika.
We are paying a lot of money in terms of school bursaries, but we don't see the output. For instance, this year, how many students are we taking to university from Mombasa?
Magena giwacho ka jotend migepe County ne bende jowuok tung' mosuoge lipod no ka gikoni gibiro chiwo ler margi e thuolo mar jumbe 2 mabiro.
This is not the final report. Understand very well. Sisi mawaziri hatujajibu chochote katika hii report. It is an oversight committee, imeenda field, imeona upungufu wa hapa na pale. We have our own response, but we are waiting for our team leader, ambaye ni His Excellency Governor, to respond to the office of the Senate.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Hero kama na Aoko, wadhi nyime kama jatend duond od bura, kara duond od bura